Hey guys, so this tech question is a little different. This person's asking me, I don't have a large social circle, any advice to find people to photograph. My first piece of advice for anybody who's looking for people to photograph would be lower your standards. I mean, I'm kind of being a wise guy, but we're out there, we're like, oh, I want the most beautiful, the most ripped dude, the most beautiful woman with long hair and this and that, and it looks exactly like this, and this is a model I want to photograph. Not everybody has access to the most beautiful people in the world. Very few people do actually, and everybody is beautiful in their own way. So if you are more open to photographing anybody, you'll find people to photograph. I've said this before, just let it be known that you're a photographer. It seems cheesy, but if you're shy or whatever, put pictures like on your screensaver at work that you photographed. Obviously, make sure they work safe. On your phone thing, just mention it in casual conversation. You will encounter people that want to be photographed. Now, you might be like, oh, you know what? I don't really want to do, this person's engagement picture. I want to shoot a high fashion. Listen, if that's all they got, if that's all you got, if that's who's wanting to work with you right now, work with who you got, because you'll find it'll be a challenge and it'll be awesome. The second thing you could do, which I recommend, is get some kind of a mannequin or a mannequin head. Those are really super good to just work out your lighting if you're really kind of new. I don't know, this person didn't say exactly where they were, skill-wise. If you're a little unsure about your lighting, playing around with mannequin head might seem kind of silly, but at the same time, it's a great way to learn lighting. So get something like a mannequin head or a full mannequin if you have space for it. Again, you'll see Seth shooting all the time with the mannequin. It's a great way to learn, and you can get them pretty cheap. Jump on Amazon or whatever. But as far as finding people, literally be open to anything. When somebody says, "Oh, my 10-year-old cousin needs photos," shoot that. Shoot it, because it'll make you better. The more you do, the better you'll get. And I've probably said this many times before, but when I first kind of started as a fashion photographer, of course I wanted to get paid to shoot all these like beautiful, gorgeous, fashion models, AKA women, right? But everybody wants to shoot them, and they will do it for free because they want these gorgeous models. I need to make a living because I was a professional photographer. So I started shooting a lot of men, because the men didn't have as many people that wanted to photograph them. It was, simple as that. So the men were willing to pay. Actors were willing to pay. A children model, the parents anyways, were willing to pay, because these people don't have everybody chasing them down to shoot. Photograph what you have available in front of you. That will make you better. And the better you get, the more likely you will be to get the key models, or the models that you really want, let's say for the work you envision in your brain. So hopefully that helps. You guys, if you want to hear more about this kind of stuff, let me know. Leave some comments below with more questions, and I'll see you next time.